Good afternoon. Today we'll solve this question. The question is here given to us that Sonia and Priyanka started from Amethi and Bellary. For Bellary and Amethi, which are 645 km apart. That means the distance between Amethi and Bellary is 645 km. So this is one of the data given to us in the question. They meet after 15 hours. So when they are traveling from Amethi and Bellary respectively, so after 15 hours they meet. So this is the second data that is given to us. And then what is written? After their meeting, Sonia increased their speed by 3 km per hour and Priyanka reduced her speed by 3 km per hour. So here what happened after their meeting? Sonia increased her speed by 3 km per hour and Priyanka reduced her speed by 3 km per hour. They arrived at Bellary and Amethi respectively at the same time. What is their initial speeds? So this is the question. First try to understand by drawing a diagram. Suppose this is the point, it is Amethi, okay, and this is Bellary. So this is the distance between Amethi and Bellary given to us is 645 km, okay, 645 km. Now what happens? Sonia has started from Amethi. So from here Sonia has started and from here Priyanka has started. So when they started, they traveled. Sonia has started from Amethi to reach Bellary and Priyanka has started from Bellary to reach Amethi. So when they started their traveling, they meet after 15 hours. That means after 15, suppose this is the point. I have named this point as C. So this is the point where Sonia and Priyanka meet each other. So when they meet, both of them has already traveled 15 hours. Already they have traveled 15 hours. So this is the second data given to us. So let's see what happened. So after they started their journey, so after 15 hours, what happened? After 15 hours, so Sonia has traveled how many, for how much time? 15 hours. And what is the speed? Speed is not given to us. So let the initial speed of Sonia be x. Let the initial speed of Sonia be x and initial speed of Priyanka be y. So this one we have taken. The initial speed of Sonia, that is x, and the initial speed of Priyanka, that is y. Okay, and we have to find the value of x and y only. So how can we do it? So after 15 hours they meet each other and within 15 hours, so now our aim is to find out that within 15 hours how much distance Sonia has traveled and how much distance Priyanka has traveled. So distance is equal to, we know that distance is equal to, so speed is equal to distance by time. Speed is equal to distance by time. So now, so we have to find the distance. So to find the distance is equal to how much? Speed into time. Speed into time. Okay. Now we have assumed that the speed of Sonia be x. And the time is given 15 hours. So we will get the distance. So distance is equal to speed into time. What is the initial speed of Sonia? The initial speed of Sonia is x. And what is the time he has traveled? Into 15. That means 15x. So 15x. In the same case, similarly Priyanka also 15y. So 15x plus 15y. How much distance they have traveled? From this side 15x is traveled, and from this side Sonia has traveled 15x and Priyanka has traveled 15y. So 15x plus 15y is the total distance between Amethi and Bellary. So is equal to 645. So now if x plus y is equal to 645 by 15. Okay, so 15, how much will give me? 15 4 ja 60, 4 15 3 ja 45. So mean x plus y is equal to 43. So this is the first equation we have get. Now what we have to do after 15 hours, what are the more what are the more data that are given to us? That Sonia has increased her speed. So Sonia's initial speed was after 15 hours, Sonia has increased the speed. Its initial speed was x, but now it will be 3, x plus 3, and that of Priyanka will be, Priyanka has reduced the speed by 3 km per hour. That means y minus 3. Okay, so that is the speed after they meet the 15 hour, after they meet each other. So after meeting, Priyanka has to travel how much distance? This much, and the distance is how much? 15x, which the Sonia has earlier traveled, and this one is 15y. So how many distance left for Priyanka to reach Amity? 8 is left, only 15x, and that of Sonia is 15y. Okay, so now so they have reached Amity and Bareilly respectively at the same time. So speed, again we know that speed is equal to distance by time. So time is same here, so we have to find the time, distance by speed. Okay, distance by speed. Sonia is after 15 hours, the speed of Sonia is x plus 3, and that of Priyanka is y minus 3. So now we know that speed is equal to distance by time, time is equal to distance by speed. So mean distance is how much? 15x. That means Priyanka has to travel 15x. 15x by y minus 3 is equal to 15y by x plus 3. Okay, so x is equal to how much? 43 minus y. 43 minus y by y minus 3 is equal to 15. 43 minus x by x plus 3. Okay, so now we have get this one. So see now we can use this. This is the two equations. Okay, now we can use this equation 1 to solve this problem. But as this is a CAT exam, so we have to use some other technique. That is, see, from whatever we get x plus y is equal to 43. From this equation we can check the answers, cross check the answers, options by using the options. So x plus y is equal to 43. 24 plus 30 will give me how much? 54. So that cannot be the answer. Okay, that cannot be the answer. So 18 plus 21 also will give me how much? 39. So that cannot be also answer. So the x plus y must be equal to 43. So here is 25 and here is 18. So 25 plus 18 is 43. And let's check the 20 plus 23. 20 plus 23 also is also 43. So answer must be between B and D. So now we will put this the value of B here and see which one will satisfy the equation. So first let us take B. So after taking B, what we will get? So here the value from B, it is 25, x is 25 kilometer, x is equal to 25 kilometer per hour, and y is equal to how much? 18 kilometer per hour. So 1543 minus y is 18 by y minus 18 minus 3, and this one is 1543 minus 25 by 25 plus 3. 25 plus 3. So 43 minus 18 is how much? 25. So 15 into 25, 8 minus 3 is 15. So here it is, we are getting 25. And let us see what we get here. 15 into 43 minus 25 is how much? 43 minus 25, 13 minus 5 is 8. And 4 minus 3 is 118. So 15 into 18, 15 into 18 by 28. So these two answers are not equal. That means these two values, 25 and 18, will not satisfy this equation. So this B cannot be the option. Now let us check with the D option. The D option is 20 km per hour and 23 km. So here X will be 20 km per hour and it is 23 km per hour. Okay, it is 23 km per hour. 23 km per hour, okay? So 23 km per hour. So now what happened? 15, what is here? 15, 43 minus X is how much? Oh, sorry, Y is 23. By Y minus 3 is 23 minus 3 and 15, 43 minus X is how much? X is 23. X is 23 and here is 20, sorry. This one is Y will be 23 only. And this one is X is almost 20. And X plus 3 is 20 plus 3. Between 43 minus Y is 20. 3 minus X is 20. So 15 into 43 minus 23 is 20 by 20. And here 43 into 43 minus 20 is 23 by 23. So it will be cancelled, So the answer is 15. Here is also 15. That means it will satisfy the equation 2. As it will satisfy the equation 2, that means we can say that X is equal to 20 km per hour and Y will be 23 km per hour. So in this way also, by cross checking, we can get the answer, because we have to use very optimize our time. Okay. So in this way we have to solve it. Okay.